You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google email account from your iPhone. If you no longer want that account synced to mail, contacts, or calendar, this is how to properly remove it. Let's get right to the steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Mail. From there, tap Accounts to see a list of all the email accounts currently added to your device. Find the Gmail or Google account you want to remove and tap on it. At the bottom of that screen, you'll see the option to delete account. Tap it, then confirm when prompted. This will completely remove the account from your iPhone, meaning your emails, contacts, and calendars from that account will stop syncing to the device. Keep in mind, the account isn't deleted entirely. You can still access it anytime through the Gmail app or by logging in with a browser. This just disconnects it from your Mail app and other built-in iOS services. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips and tutorials. See you later.